CA Release Automation Express Mode has enabled you to quickly set up and execute an automated application deployment. It's great to see such quick results and learn about some of the core concepts of automating deployments. However, there are many things happening within the CA Release Automation tool behind the scenes, such as application to server mapping, deployment workflow setup, and artifact management. It's important for you to become familiar with these capabilities in order to advance and extend the release automation practices in your organization. Let's start with the successful deployment of Express Mode. In this example, we use the Express deployment that comprises a QA environment with two server types, Application Server and DB Server. There is also an artifact package that contains three artifacts, WAR, SQL, and a configuration file. Now let's take a look at what's happening behind the scenes in CA Release Automation. First, we will switch to the Advanced mode using the button in the upper right-hand corner. This is a view of the CA Release Automation dashboard as it relates to the deployment you just executed in Express Mode. Here you can find useful data on the agents, applications, and deployments. From this page, you can customize the dashboard by adding more widgets and reports. Under the Designer tab, you can find the application model. The application model presents the server types and the assigned technology. Using the Express mode, we've created two server types, Application Server and DB Server. The Application Server assigned to Tomcat and the DB Server to MySQL. The Express mode uses a shared component for each technology. A component contains actions, parameters, and flows, which the Express mode uses to generate deployment processes. Shared components enable you to create reusable, standard deployment workflows that can be shared across a multitude of applications and environments managed by CA Release Automation. The Process tabs contains the processes that we use to deploy the application. In the Express mode deployment, we had selected the Tomcat and MySQL technologies, and here we can see the deployment processes of each technology. Under the Artifacts menu, you can see the artifact packages. Every artifact is associated to artifact type, artifact definition, and the artifact version. For the Express deployment, we've uploaded three files, WAR, SQL, and configuration. You can see the server type, definition, and version of every artifact. The Agent Assignment page is located under the Environments menu. Agents are installed on your hosts and manage the deployment. In this page, for every environment, you can assign an agent to a specific server type. In Express mode, this was shown as the agent that was assigned to the server types. The Deployment Plan by Project page is located at the Release menu. Deployment Plan contains the artifact package we would like to deploy, and the deployment steps, which are the process that we've seen in the Designer menu. Last is the Deployment page. Here we can see a list of deployments that ran in the system and their status. You can drill down to view the status of every deployment step, which is particularly helpful if you are troubleshooting issues. Well, that's it. Of course, CA Release Automation capabilities are much more extensive, and we have covered only just the tip of the iceberg here. We hope that this short review will allow you to start using CA Release Automation more extensively. This tool has the flexibility and scale to enable you to achieve zero-touch, end-to-end application release across your entire organization. Don't forget to use our help pages and to consult other engineers in the CA Release Automation community. Thanks for watching.